Dear student, welcome to my YouTube channel Science Vision with Bhandekar sir. In my last video, in previous video, we can study that is factors affecting to the rate of chemical reaction, and in that particular topic we study the two factors there, that is nature of reactant and size of particle. Today in this topic, here are factors affecting the rate of chemical reaction. In this topic, today we study another two topics here, that is a concentration of reactant and look here temperature of the reaction or temperature of the reactant. Means in this way, here firstly we study that is a concentration of reactants. Dear student, look here, concentration, if that reactants are concentrated or concentration of reactants is high there, reactant having the high concentration, then a speed of reaction is greater. Means, dear student, look here, that is speed or rate of reaction is depend upon a concentration of that reactant. We can study one activity and one example. Same reactants are there in both the cases, but their concentrations are different. Look here, that is A test tube. A test tube is there, and in this test tube we take a powder of calcium carbonate, here CaCO3 calcium carbonate, and we add a concentrate hydrochloric acid. Look here, concentrate HCl. Two reactants are there in A test tube. In A test tube, we take a powder of CaCO3 calcium carbonate and concentrate HCl, concentrate hydrochloric acid. In a test tube B, here a B test tube, and in this B test tube we take a powder of calcium carbonate, that is a CaCO3, and we take a dilute HCl in this test tube. In B test tube we take dilute HCl. Look here, in test tube A we take a concentrate HCl. In test tube B we take a dilute HCl. In this way, here difference in their concentration, dear student, in which test tube the rate of reaction is greater, or dear student, in which test tube the speed of reaction is greater. Imagine here. You know here that speed of reaction is depend upon the concentration of reactant. If that concentration of reactant is greater, then the speed of reaction is greater. Concentration of reactant is high, then speed of reaction is increases or rate of reaction is increases. Means here a reaction between concentrated HCl and CaCO3 takes faster than the reaction between dilute HCl and CaCO3. Hence, concentration of reactant plays a very important role to just on the speed of chemical reaction or to indicate the rate of chemical reaction. Means, look here how we write the conclusion from this activity. Look here, the chemical reaction between concentrate HCl and CaCO3 takes faster than the reaction between dilute HCl and CaCO3. Dilute HCl and CaCO3. Why that in first test tube that reaction takes faster? Because the concentration of reactant plays important role to indicate the rate of reaction or to maintain the speed of reaction. Means concentration of reactant is a very important factor to speed up the chemical reaction. Means concentration of reactant is very high, then speed of reaction is greater. Means speed of reaction is depend upon the concentration of reactant or a rate of reaction is depends upon a speed. Rate of reaction is depend upon concentration of reactants, means the rate of reaction is depend upon the concentration of reactants. Means concentration of reactant is greater, then rate of reaction is greater. Hence, concentration of reactants is greater then rate of reaction is greater. Means rate or speed of reaction is depend upon a concentration of reactant. Means in this way there is one important factor, that is concentration of reactant. It should be affect the speed of reaction or a rate of reaction. Dear student, we can study a next factor there, that is a temperature of reaction. You know, in any chemical reaction, next topic here, a temperature of reaction. In a chemical reaction, if we given the heat or increase the temperature of reactant, then a speed of reaction is greater. Means in this way, temperature of reactants temperature of reaction you know how we indicate the temperature of reaction. That is temperature of reaction affect the rate of chemical reaction. If you are given a heat to that any reactants there in a chemical reaction, then a speed of chemical reaction is increases due to given the heat. If the temperature of reaction should be increases, then rate of chemical reaction is increases. Look here, one important point. If the temperature of reaction increases, then rate of chemical reaction increases. If you are given a heat to that any particular reaction, आपण जर एखाद्या रिएक्शन मध्ये हीट एनर्जी जर प्रोवाइड करसू, then due to that heat energy, that is a speed of reaction or rate of reaction is greater. Definitely there, dear student, looks here, the temperature can affect the rate of chemical reaction. If the temperature of reactants in reaction is greater, then a speed of reaction is greater. You know, if we study the two activities here, that is a one test tube, that is two reactants are there in this way. Reactants in this test tube, here a B test tube. In B test tube also two reactants are there. Two reactants are there in B test tube also. But to test tube A, we provide the heat with the help of gas burner. We provide the heat energy. Means in case of this test tube A, the temperature of reactant should be increased. Hence, in test tube B, there is no providing the heat here by a gas burner. Hence, temperature of reaction or reactant in test tube A is greater than a temperature of reactant in test tube B. Hence, the speed of chemical reaction in test tube A is greater than the speed of reaction in test tube B. Means in this way, that is when we provide the heat energy to any reaction there, to the reactants in any chemical reaction, then due to that heat energy, the temperature of reactant should be increases, and that should be affect the speed of reaction. Due to this, given the heat increase the temperature, a speed of chemical reaction should be increases. Means in this way, today in this video lecture we can study two factors there. One, that is concentration of reactants, and secondly, that is temperature of reaction. Two factors are there. They should be directly affect the speed of chemical reaction. Dear student, in my next video we can study, that is a catalyst is a one factor here which also affect the rate of chemical reaction or speed of chemical reaction. Dear student, please subscribe my YouTube channel to learn all the videos related to science syllabus of 10th class. I am completing now a first 5 chapter of science 1 there. Then I will start, that is science 2 also. Physics, chemistry and biology, all the topics here. Hence, dear student, you can subscribe. Please subscribe my YouTube channel to learn all the videos there. I can use a playlist of that all videos here on my channel. Hence, you are available all the videos to see carefully there, to watch all the videos and write the notes. If there is any doubt there, then please ask to me at any time, because I am available for you at any time. Thanks for watching my video.